and welcome back to English with Teacher Carol. Today, we're going to talk about conditionals in English. Conditionals are very important, and knowing how to use them correctly will really help you sound more fluent. So let's dive in and explore the three main types of conditionals. Let's start with the zero conditional. This is used when we talk about facts or things that always happen when a condition is met. The structure is if plus present simple and present simple. Here are some examples. If you heat water to 100 degrees, it boils. If it rains, the ground gets wet. If you mix yellow and blue, you get green. These are all situations that happen all the time without any doubt. Zero conditional is for general truths and scientific facts. Now let's practice. Think about this. If you touch fire, what happens? The answer is, it burns. Easy, right? Zero conditional talks about situations that are always true, no matter what. Next, let's move on to first conditional. We use this for real-life situations that could happen in the future. The structure is if plus present simple, will plus base verb. Here are a couple of examples. If I study, I'll pass the test. If it's sunny tomorrow, we'll go to the beach. If you don't hurry, you'll miss the train. Notice that these are all possible situations in the future. They might happen depending on the condition. The first conditional is for real possibilities. Now, I want you to practice with me. Try this. If you get a promotion, what will you do? Leave your answers in the comment and let's see what you come up with. Now, let's talk about the second conditional. These are for situations that are hypothetical or unlikely, things that probably won't happen. The structure is if plus past simple, would plus base verb. Here are some examples. If I had $1 million, I would travel the world. If I were you, I would study more for the exam. If she could fly, she would go anywhere. The key thing to remember is that the second conditional is about imagining things that are not real or unlikely to happen. And remember, with the second conditional, we always use were for all subjects. So, you say, if I were and if he were. Let's practice together. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would you live? Leave your answers below and I'll check them out. Alright, so today we've covered three types of conditionals. The zero conditional for facts, the first conditional for real future possibilities, and the second conditional for hypothetical situations. Now it's your turn. Try making your own sentences using each type of conditional and share them in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!